Hello, grade 2 students. This is teacher Charlene welcoming you again for our online class for science. How are you? I hope that all of you are still excited to learn more in science. Am I correct? Very good. Again, I want you to be ready with the following things that we need for today. First, your textbook and your pencil. Okay, have them on your table as we start with our lesson for the day. Okay, let's have a quick review of the past lesson that we have. Okay, you are going to fill in the blanks with a word that will complete the thought of the statements. So here are the words that you're going to use: matter, shape, and volume. All these words actually were discussed in our previous lesson, right? Okay, do you still remember their meanings? Very good. Okay, let's try them. Let's have number 1. Okay, the blank of liquid stays the same when it is poured into different kinds of container. Yes? What is our answer for this? Very good. That is volume. Okay, next, number 2. Water is blank. Okay, what is water? Okay, what is your answer for this? Very good. Water is matter. And lastly, liquid takes the blank of its container. Of course, we only have one answer, which is shape. Very good. Did all of you get this correctly? Well, it only shows that you really understood our previous lesson. Good job, guys. We are still with lesson 4, how can water change? Still, we are on pages 36 up to 39. Remember our objective? Yes, that is, students will know that water can be solid, liquid, and gas. So this is still the objective that we'll have for the continuation of our lesson. Are you ready? And for our word to know in this lesson, that is volume. Again, what is volume? Very good. This is the amount of space that matter takes up. Okay, so this is the one that we talked about in the previous lesson, right? So do not forget that one. Very good. Now turn your book to page 38. We are already with cooling matter. Matter can change the state of matter. Just like water, it can change from liquid to solid when the air temperature is cold. Take a look with the picture. When do you think this happened? Yes, it happens during winter. Rain freezes and changes to ice. So ice now actually is the solid form of water. Did you get it? Very good. Another change which result from cooling is the one that you can observe in the bottle or in the picture. Do you see the droplets of water? Well, this is the change of water in its gaseous form, which we call as water vapor, into liquid. So we can say that water can also change from gas to liquid when the air temperature is cold. So what is the gaseous form of the water? We call it as water vapor. When water vapor touches the cold glass or bottle, it is changed into tiny drops of water, which is in liquid form. So therefore, the result here of cooling is a change from gas to liquid. Did you understand? Very good. Go now to page 39. We are already with heating matter. Do you observe what's happening in the picture? Yes, this is the melting of the ice. And what do you think is the reason for this? Yes, it's the heat coming from the sun. When the sun heats the air, it will result to melting. Therefore, we can say that heating can change the state of matter. Just like in this picture, the solid form of water, which we call as ice or snow, becomes liquid when the air temperature is warm. Did you get it? Very good. Another example of the result of heating in matter is the evaporation of water. Let's say we have the puddle or the sea or the pool here. So when the sun shines on these bodies of water, you will notice that the water particles are going to evaporate. Again, what is evaporation? We say that this is the change of liquid into gaseous form. So here, in this example, you will notice that liquid water becomes gas when the air temperature also is warm. So this actually, the tiny particles of water rises to the sky and forms cloud. But where does that water from the cloud come from? It's also from the bodies of water. Okay, did you get it? So the water in the sea or the puddle, as for example in your book, is changed to water vapor. Water vapor, grade 2, is the gaseous form of water. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, best example of the change in water by heating is boiling water. Try to examine this picture. So when we boil water, so you will notice that bubbles are formed. What do you think are those bubbles for? So when we boil the water, so we are able to change it into gaseous form. But where is the gas here? Well, the gas or the water vapor are inside those bubbles that you see. So again, by heating the water, we are able to change some particles of water or of the liquid water into gas. Did you understand? Very good. That ends our discussion for today, and hopefully you fully understand the lessons and no more questions. Okay, and to wrap up our discussion, so we can say that water can be in solid, liquid, or gaseous form. So it is done by cooling or heating. Again, what is the solid form of water? Yes, it can be in ice or snow form. How about liquid? The usual thing that we see with water, it's in liquid form. And how about the gaseous form? What do we call it? Yes, we call it as water vapor. Very good, guys. You really listen well. Before we're going to end, again, here are some reminders. Number 1, you have to work on your homework on your textbook, pages 38 to 39. Answer also your workbook, pages 17 to 18, and log into your New Vision account for the worksheet. Okay, that's all. And hopefully, you'll be able to finish all these things by this week. Thank you and bye. That ends our discussion for the week. Have a nice day ahead and enjoy studying and learning at home. Bye, guys.